Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get Hailey Bieber's nail look. And it's pretty much like an almond shape with a milky, pearlescent, kind of like fairy dust glow to it. I'm going to show you exactly what to do step by step with using super affordable products from Amazon. Everything that will be mentioned and used in this tutorial will be linked in the description box down below. If you guys have any questions about anything, please leave them in the comment section down below as well. And without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so first up, what you would want to do is cut down your nails as short as possible unless you're using your natural nails to work with. I am not. I'm going to be adding some tips using a gel glue that I need to cure with a light, so that's going to be step one. I am using this box of nail tips and it's called Una Gela. Find the correct size and you just go down the line until you find the right one for each nail on both hands, and then I like to set them out all in a row. That way it's nice and organized and everything is really easy to match back up with what hand and what nail they go to. So I'm gonna do this part as quickly as I can. If you don't like the almond shape, you can actually cut the tip very slightly and they'll become like a coffin. Now, another thing I should mention, if it does not fit all the way around, you can take a nail file and shave it on both sides all around to make sure that it does fit properly, because this part is really, really important. If it's too big, there is going to be some space here for air, water, lotion, whatever you put on your hands, and they're gonna start to lift prematurely. So you want them to fit perfectly on your nail bed. Next up is going to be this Dehydrator, and it's from Aprise. So whatever you do to your nail, you're gonna do the same to the fake tip. These have a little bit of texture, but just still not enough. So we're gonna go right over that spot with the Dehydrator. Next is a nail gel glue, and this is the one that I'm using. For this process, I'm going to be using a quick dry light, and it looks like this. It's also clippable, so this is going to be clipped onto my desk. As you can see, there are no bubbles on my nail. I can definitely wear them clear, but we're going to continue with the nail art. Repeat this process on every single one of your nails. Okay, next what you're gonna do is you're gonna soften this tip because it is a little bit pointy compared to what she's got going on. Taking my time and filing and making sure that they're nice and round. These are weapons, these are cute. We're gonna buff off this shiny top coat. And it should look something like this. Okay, so I did a quick rinse to make sure I got all of the powder out from around my nails because I don't want anything to get in the way of having flawless paint. This is my new favorite Milky white polish. This was featured in my newest Amazon favorites video. If you guys haven't seen that, I'll make sure to link it down in the description below so you guys can check it out because I have tons of nail products that you guys do not want to miss. This is the new lamp that I've been using. It's under $10 and I absolutely love it. Not only is it cute because it's a little rose top, but since there is no close here, you can actually stick your fingers with long nails through and cure longer sets if you have them. That is coat number 1. We're gonna go in for coat number 2. Okay, next I'm going to be doing a top coat, and I'm using the Beetles top coat. Back into the light. And while this cures, I did want to show you all of the powders that I have, and it just depends on which one you pick. It's going to give you a different hue. So some are green, some are blue, some are pink, purple, and so on and so forth. There are also some chrome, like very silver or very gold looking. A little bit does go a long way. They typically give you little applicators like this. I'm gonna go ahead and rub it onto the nail like this. And it's gonna start to give it that opalescent shine. Do you see that? You're gonna take a brush and dust off any of the extra, and then you're gonna top it with a top coat and cure, and then this nail will be done, and then I just move on to the rest. I am going to be wiping them with a little bit of alcohol. That's gonna take off any powder from my skin, finishing off a little bit of OPI's Spa Cuticle Oil. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below if you have any other celebrity nails that you would love for me to recreate for you. I'll do that as soon as I get a chance.